Okay, so this is the Liftmaster model focus model 2220, and it's making grinding noises coming out from the garage door opener itself. So this is the screwdriver type. So the motor directly connects to this screwdriver unit and by a coupler. And here is the coupler. And as you can see, the coupler is moving around now, so much slack, and you can see the bottom part kind of break off. It shouldn't be moving like this, and I don't know if I have the correct part now. Oh, so bad. Ha! It's cracked. So, new part will go in, but here, need to remove these two. So, I will have to slide my opener back that way. Yeah, but this thing, oh yeah, okay, maybe it looks the same. These are, I think, 11, because this won't, 11 or 10, alright, let's see, this guy. So the part number is this, whatever. You can see the new one versus the old one, same size. So I just need to replace this. Liftmaster screwdriver. FTS man, Craftsman, garage door opener. No, it doesn't even describe it.
So this is the setup for me to support the rail, have a folding table and a lamp post, so then it kind of keeps it balanced. The only thing that holds the rail is the end that connects to the wall, and then two bolts on top of the garage door opener. So if you unscrew those screws at the top of it, it will drop on you. So make sure you have someone else to hold on to the rail before you unscrew the two screws on the garage door opener. Um, and here I drilled two holes and screwed a wire so then it braces the bottom part or the end part of the garage door opener, so when I slide it, it has something to hold on to. Because there were only two screws on the bracket, and I have to unscrew them in order to move it backward. Um, as you can see here, these two screws, you need to undo them. And then the other two screws on the rail all have to come off. So what else to support it? Support the garage door opener, right? So anyway, I have that wire supporting it. Slide backward, put the coupler back on, slide forward, back, bolt everything together, and everything seems fine, and it's almost done. But here comes the next problem. Um, the problem being that the trolley or the carriage is out of sync with where the doors actually is. So the gear is not located in the correct position. So before you open up the case, make sure you unplug the power cable, the power cord, and then there's two screws in the front of the garage door opener casing. Pull forward towards you, towards the light bulb, and here is the white gear that is connected to the spiral gear. This white gear is connected to a contacts that can move left or right to indicate whether it's going to go towards closing or opening. So for me, my carriage is all the way in the front, so that means it's closed, but the gear contact thought that is open, so it's contacting the upper limit. So when I press power, it's going to go forward towards the garage door to close it, but it's it's wrong because my carriage is already in the front, so it's going to hit the wall really fast. So I have to manually adjust this white gear, the middle one, all the way to the lower limit, right? So then I thought that it's closed. So when I power on, my carriage, which is in the front, is going to retract backward, so it's going to open it, right? So I have to trick it such that the thing is closed. In order to set this setup here as a closed state, I need to rotate the gear, the white gear on the right, forward, at this direction of the arrow, forward, roll righty-tighty forward. So then the contact in the middle gear is going towards the close limit. So I want to rotate the center contact to all the way to the green arrow. So when I power on, it's gonna open. So open means pulling my trolley back inward. So now I will be in the correct state. And as I manually pull my door open, the trolley will lock in with the carriage in the open state, and I am good. So next you just need to adjust the limit of the lower boundary and upper boundary, so then it will stop. Once it hit that contact, it will reverse. So you just have to manually play around with it, but at this point make sure you don't touch any live wire while you're doing it. This is kind of a dangerous situation, but when you adjust the gear, unplug the power cord. Okay, so on my unit there is a bracket that actually holds on to the panel to make it stiffer. So for me, I need to unscrew this bracket on the panel, so then I can easily bend the panel a little bit downward, so the white gear is disengaged with the spiral gear. Okay. Once you have that, that state synced up, I'm good to go. You're good to go. All right. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you next time.